Welcome back from Graphicxtras. In this video I'm just going to quickly show you that you can use PNG files, in particular PNG files from Graphicxtras, but of course you could use any sort of brush design. You can use them as patterns in PaintShop Pro X6 as well as X5, X4, etc. The key thing is just to put them into the patterns folder, and got here I've got the folder for documents and Corel Paint Shop Pro, obviously version X6. And you'll find inside this folder whole range of different options here for brushes, etc. Now brushes has got its own format. You have to actually convert those within the applications, again with tubes, but there's many like displacement maps, environment maps, etc. can just be added as a PNG file or bitmap, etc. So I'm just going to go now to the patterns, and I've actually added already the flames designs. Now these are available on the Graphicxtras site, but like I say, any PNG file, etc. can be used. So once you've actually added that folder, just go into PaintShop Pro, and this one, flood fill, just go down there and you'll see the materials palette over here. If you can't actually find that, just view palettes and materials, and you'll see just over here the various patterns. So I'm just going to click it. Normally it's actually set to a colour, so you might have it just a standard colour here instead of gradients, but you can also use patterns, and here's the actual flames patterns. Here's all the various pattern files. The good thing about this is you can actually just change the angle, which is something you can't do in Photoshop. I would love to see that in Photoshop. You can do scale, so you can modify the scale. Oops, not for texture, does help. That's the texture section, different. You can also add the PNG files to that and use those as textures as well. So modify the scale, you can zoom in, and you'll notice one thing: when you actually go to the palette, you can actually see that reflected here. So all the angles of all the designs are all just going off in that direction now. Obviously, there. You can modify turn that around, just there, and that will again, when you bring it up, reflect there. Okay, so once you've actually decided that's the flame set you want, click OK and just apply. And obviously you can then modify these further, maybe apply effects to the pattern design. Of course you could also apply it onto a layer. So I'm just going to, or you can use the blend modes as well. You don't have to go with that, you can just go darken, so you can apply it there. And of course you can modify the scale again, don't have to. So just go over here and you can maybe change the angle again, go the other direction, maybe 135, so it's a different point in the other direction, and then click and apply darken, and you'll see the actual pattern. Maybe not much of a pattern, but certainly a pattern all the same. I hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.